Namaskar, friends. You are all aware of the importance of the trees and why we need it, isn't it? A small contribution from your side on a daily basis will definitely ensure that you get enough of oxygen and you see lots of greenery besides you. You are probably also aware that we have lots of trees across on our planet. Can you guess which is the country which has got the most number of trees? Guess. Oh, you said. True. It's Russia because of the obvious reason of the vast land they have got and the plantation which they have. Surprisingly, the tree count is calculated on the basis of the population. For example, if there's a big number of population, a big number of trees are required as well. In Canada, for example, there are 11,000 plus trees per person. Are you aware how many trees we have got in our country, Bharat? Well, it's 28 trees per person. Of course, you can Google about this information across and get it verified. Now, here comes a task for yourself. You also can contribute and increase this number of 28 to a number which you want it to be. It's very simple. There are 7 effective and small steps which you need to carry out. And you have to set your vision for the greenery in your neighborhood, for the pure air which you can breathe in your neighborhood. So, is it exciting? And yes, you can contribute in your own small way. You just have to invest not more than 15 minutes a day. Guys, if you are interested, keep watching. You can see over here a small waste bin which has got fruit peels, a banana peel over here, onion peels and vegetable waste which is not being consumed by us. Here there's a watermelon which has been completely consumed, the fruit part of it, and this vegetable waste has been put in this. Second one is the same option. This is the same option. You also can do it in a similar fashion and keep it preserved in your house for not more than 24 hours. This is the watermelon which we have. It had lots of nutrition, vitamins earlier in the form of a fruit which we always eat and make ourselves healthier. Now it's a time to make our environment healthier. So all that stuff which we had fed, this has got the vegetable waste, onion peels and the banana peels and other things in it. Similarly over here, the stems of a vegetable. This is the tree. The same tree in your neighborhood can be selected and a similar space has to be dug besides the roots. Here you can see how it has been dug. Now this particular stuff can be dumped here this way. Even this can be used. All of this is food for trees. This one, a bigger portion, this can be used as a contributor to a bigger compost. You can all have this compost, and you will see over here there's lots of dry leaves which is making a good compost. So friends, it's a very small thing. 15 minutes of a day is a very small amount. Usually you can do this activity in the morning before the sweepers come and sweep along. 15 minutes a day is 91.15 minutes an year. So you get this much of time to contribute and make your environment not only green but also clean. Usually we have been taught in our schools that we have to give water to the small plants, and the trees, when they grow, they sustain on themselves through the rainwater what they usually get in the monsoon. That's correct. Since we as human beings, we consume water, we also consume food. So this exercise what we have done now, we have given food to our trees. Similarly, this food is acting as a nutrition which is very, very important for the tree to grow. You would surprised to know that most of the trees are dependent on the rains and also the groundwater. In our country, there are 21 big cities including Delhi, Ghaziabad, Bangalore and others, which would be having very, very little amount of groundwater. In such a condition, we giving nutrition to the trees in the form of this food waste or fruit waste, which is uncooked, which does not have any oil or the spices in it, is really very, very helpful for not only the trees but also for you, since these trees will be subsequently giving lots and lots of oxygen back to you. It's up to you to stand up and ensure that the count of 28 trees in our country is increased to a bigger number as early as possible. Since now you are aware that it's very easy, it's very simple. All that is needed to make this environment clean and green is within your reach. It's within your house, and this is what each one of us can do it very easily. So friends, it's an humble request to all of you to ensure that we have got such wonderful green lush forests or trees in our neighborhood, and this is what we would be needing it here after. Make time, good use of this time wherein we are having lots of leisure. So out of the leisure, 15 minutes is not much. Each individual's contribution to the trees, to the environment, to the nature is definitely going to be an most important investment for us. So guys, hope you like this video. Please provide your feedback, your actions which you plan to take, and the daily contribution of 15 minutes or more than that, what you are planning to do. Hereafter, I would also appreciate if you can share all your further dealings to make this planet green and clean. Thank you very much for watching this. Have a great day.